Hello everyone, this is Zach. Today I'm gonna show you how to make sausage burritos. This dish was taught by a good chef who I knew knew him around 8 years ago when I live in China. I was shocked the first time he made this for me because it's really good. It tastes like pizza, and the shell is really thin and crispy. Okay, let's do this. First, we need to prepare something. We need a tortilla. We need 2 pieces of tortilla this time. And we also need a cheese. Grated cheese. And you can you have to put on the tortilla evenly. Like this, okay? Like this. And then put them aside. Now we're moving to the ingredient. This time I prepare some hams, pork, and a lot of pepper. Red, green, yellow, and I already cut them into little cube form. Yeah, same as meat, little cube form. Yeah. And now we need to turn on our skillet and give some oil. I love burrito. In my opinion, I think burrito just like a pocket, which means you could put all the things you like it into it. And so I can suggest you guys that when you try to start making burrito, you can take time to think about, oh, what I want to eat today. Maybe beef, maybe chicken, pork, or any kind of vegetable. And once you find all of this, and find a suitable sauce, it means you will get a perfect burritos. Okay, now we cook this. No need too much time. And because of all the ham is salty, so I don't think this time I need salt anymore. But black pepper, I think it's still needed. Okay, cook it fastly, and put into the plate. And give some oil and heat your skillet. Keep it warm and hot. Keep your skillet hot, okay, in a high temperature. And now we need to put all ingredients on the tortilla. Stir evenly, okay. Like this. And then take another tortilla to cover. Now you need to move tortilla into the skillet, and I have to say this step you need to be carefully. Cooking the tortilla for around 35 seconds. You can use spatula to press it, which could help to speed up the process of melting cheese. Oh, don't forget, I'm not recommended to use some vegetable which could create a lot of juices, such as tomato, because nobody loves to see the liquors mixed with cheese follow out when you are eating, right? Okay, turn it over and cook another 35 seconds. The shell now is the tortilla now is turned to be crispy, and then the cheese start to melt and stick to piece of tortilla and all ingredient. Okay, here we go. Now find the plate. And you got a great burrito. See? You can use knife to cut it into 4 or 6 pieces. It's up to you again. And yeah, before finishing this video, I have few tips I want to share with you guys. The first one is keeping the tortillas in normal form. Keep it really soft, and if the tortilla was frozen, which means it will really easy to break. And second, don't use some vegetable which could create a lot of juices. And number 3, when you prepare all the things down, when you deliver the tortilla into the skillet, you need to be careful. You need to be carefully, because no one loves to see the ingredient fell down from the tortilla, right? Okay, this is my way to make burritos. I hope you like it, and it's really easy and really delicious. You can make it by yourself at home. And yeah. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.